Notch SAP Digital Manufacturing Training, online certification course by Vistasparks Solutions, SAP or Keen, Master SAP Digital Manufacturing, SAP DM, and gain expertise in smart manufacturing, production execution, manufacturing, execution systems, MES, shop floor integration, production monitoring, quality management, and Industry 4.0 solutions, CDASIA. Our comprehensive SAP Digital Manufacturing Training program is designed to help professionals manage digital manufacturing processes, optimize production operations, improve shop floor visibility, and enable smart factory transformation using SAP Digital Manufacturing. This hands-on training provides practical exposure to real-world manufacturing scenarios and enterprise production workflows. Contact on mentioned WhatsApp number and email ID to know more about our services. The company provides a comprehensive range of services, including SAP Digital Manufacturing, which enables businesses to create digital twins of their products and processes, and SAP SS4HANA, which supports the development of new business models and processes. The company also offers a range of tools and technologies that support the creation of digital twins, such as SAP Leonardo, SAP Cloud Platform, and SAP HANA. The company's expertise lies in implementing SAP solutions for manufacturing companies, with a focus on digitalization and Industry 4.0. They provide customized training programs for employees and executives, enabling them to develop skills and knowledge necessary for success in the digital age. The manufacturing landscape is undergoing a significant transformation due to advances in technology and changing business needs. Legacy systems are becoming increasingly obsolete as companies move toward the more connected and cloud-driven approach. Traditional siloed paper-based processes are no longer sufficient, and companies must adopt a more integrated and intelligent way of working. This shift is not just an option, but a competitive necessity. With the rise of cloud computing and big data analytics, businesses can now access a vast amount of information and insights that enable them to make more informed decisions and drive innovation. Embracing this digital future will allow organizations to achieve higher levels of productivity, efficiency, and growth. The SAP Digital Manufacturing DMIM platform offers a range of features that enable businesses to manage their manufacturing operations more efficiently. One of the key features is the ability to integrate with other systems such as ERP, CRM, and supply chain management systems. This integration allows for seamless communication between different departments and teams within an organization. Another feature is the use of artificial intelligence and machine learning algorithms to analyze data and provide insights on how to improve manufacturing processes. This includes predictive analytics, which can forecast future demand and help companies prepare for upcoming events. Furthermore, the platform supports the development of Industry 4.0 applications, enabling businesses to create customized solutions tailored to their specific needs. The platform also provides advanced analytics tools to support decision-making and strategic planning. These tools allow users to track performance metrics, monitor trends, and identify areas for improvement. Additionally, the platform offers a range of collaboration tools to facilitate communication among team members and stakeholders. This includes video conferencing, instant messaging, and file sharing capabilities. Overall, the SAP Digital Manufacturing Platform offers a comprehensive set of features that enable businesses to optimize their manufacturing operations and achieve greater efficiency. The company offers comprehensive training programs for SAP Digital Manufacturing. The training covers the foundational capabilities of SAP Digital Manufacturing, including the core pillars of digital transformation. The training is led by expert instructors who provide guidance on how to master the core pillars. The training is designed to help participants create a smarter, more efficient factory that meets the demands of the modern market. The training is flexible and allows participants to customize their learning experience. Participants can choose from various training options that fit their needs and schedules. The training is available for individuals and organizations seeking to adopt SAP Digital Manufacturing. SAP DM for Execution provides real-time shop floor control and resource orchestration, enabling operators and supervisors to make decisions based on current data rather than relying on historical reports. This results in a more efficient use of resources and improved decision-making. Real-time production order management and dispatching are also made possible through SAP DM, bridging the gap between IT and operational technology, OT systems. Additionally, operators have access to operator dashboards that provide guided work instructions, which helps streamline their workflow and increase overall productivity. The company has been using SAP DM for insights since its inception. The system has enabled them to identify and address issues with their manufacturing process. They have also used it to monitor and analyze their supply chain management. The system has provided them with valuable insights into their operational performance, which has helped them to improve their efficiency and productivity. The company has seen significant improvements in their production capacity and quality control. The system has also helped them to reduce costs by optimizing their inventory management and logistics. The integration of SAP SAP S/4HANA into your business can provide a robust ERP backbone, allowing for seamless management of core business processes. This enables efficient data exchange between different departments and systems, creating a unified view of your business operations. By integrating SAP SAP S/4HANA with other SAP solutions such as SAP BTP, you can unlock new possibilities for process optimization and innovation. The three-step integration flow allows for a structured approach to implementing this solution, ensuring a smooth transition to a more integrated and connected business environment. With SAP SAP S/4HANA at its center, your technology ecosystem becomes more cohesive, enabling real-time communication between enterprise processes and shop floor operations. This results in improved productivity, reduced errors, and enhanced decision-making capabilities. By leveraging the full potential of SAP S/4HANA, you can empower your business to thrive in today's fast-paced digital landscape. The structured training programs are designed to help individuals and teams accelerate their SAP digital manufacturing journey. These programs are led by experts who provide structured guidance. The goal is to help participants develop the necessary skills to succeed in this field. The training approach is flexible and can accommodate different learning styles. Participants will learn through real-world scenarios and hands-on exercises. The training is tailored to meet the needs of individual professionals and large enterprises alike. The training offered by Vistasparks Solutions is designed to cater to the specific requirements of each organization. The company provides two main types of training: individual and corporate training, and DAFTN. These training options allow participants to learn at their own pace, which enables them to work more efficiently and effectively. The customized batch programs offered by Vistasparks Solutions are tailored to help organizations achieve their transformation goals. Participants who choose this option can expect to gain a deeper understanding of their current systems and processes, as well as develop new skills and knowledge. Furthermore, the training provided by Vistasparks Solutions helps organizations to maintain a competitive edge in the market. Why? The trainers at Vistasparks Solutions provide guidance and support throughout the training process, all STUTS, GB, ensuring that participants receive the necessary tools and resources to succeed. The training programs offered by Vistasparks Solutions cover a wide range of topics, including technology adoption, system improvement, and process optimization. Participants who undergo this training can expect to see improvements in their organization's overall performance and efficiency. Ultimately, the goal of Vistasparks Solutions is to help organizations achieve their goals and drive growth through effective training and development. The training programs offered by Vistasparks are designed to equip participants with practical skills that can be applied directly to their jobs. The training methodology focuses on real-world scenarios and case studies from various manufacturing industries. This approach ensures that participants gain a comprehensive understanding of the subject matter. Participants will have the opportunity to practice and apply their knowledge in a simulated environment using live SAP DM sandbox environments. Post-training support and Q&A access with certified consultants provides ongoing assistance and guidance to help participants achieve their certification goals. The combination of these elements guarantees that participants' skills will be transferred directly to the job, enabling them to start working immediately upon completion of the training program. The comprehensive course offered by Vistasparks Solutions covers various aspects of SAP Digital Manufacturing. The course is divided into three main components: Modules 1 through 3, Modules 4 through 6, and Modules 7 through 9. Each component focuses on a different aspect of digital manufacturing. Module 1 provides foundational knowledge about the architecture and operations of digital manufacturing systems. Module 2 covers the implementation process of digital manufacturing technologies. Module 3 explains how to design and implement digital manufacturing processes. Modules 4 through 6 focus on the production planning and control aspects of digital manufacturing. Modules 7 through 9 delve into the advanced topics of digital manufacturing, including data analytics and artificial intelligence. SAP Digital Manufacturing DM enables companies to adopt digital technologies rapidly and efficiently. The platform provides a comprehensive framework for digital manufacturing, allowing users to integrate various systems and tools. This includes MES and MOM systems, as well as other industrial automation tools. By leveraging SAP DM, companies can improve their productivity, reduce costs, and increase competitiveness. The platform's modular design allows for easy customization and integration with existing systems. Furthermore, SAP DM supports Industry 4.0 initiatives by providing a common platform for data exchange and analysis. Companies that adopt SAP DM can expect significant improvements in their operational efficiency and overall performance. The importance of setting up shop floor operations cannot be overstated. A well-designed setup can significantly impact productivity and efficiency. In this module, we will explore how to define machines, labor, and work centers, as well as classify raw materials and components into material groups. This enables us to configure accurate bills of materials, or BOMs, which are essential for production planning and traceability. By mastering these key concepts, individuals can streamline their production processes, reduce errors, and improve overall quality. The ability to set up shop floor operations effectively is critical in today's fast-paced manufacturing environment. Effective inventory management is crucial for businesses to minimize losses due to stockouts or overstocking. A well-designed inventory tracking system can help companies optimize their supply chain operations, reduce costs, and increase productivity. Companies that adopt a robust inventory tracking system can also improve their ability to respond quickly to changes in demand, which enables them to stay competitive in the market. Furthermore, a good inventory management system can help companies avoid unnecessary expenses by reducing waste and minimizing the need for costly reorders. By implementing an accurate and reliable inventory tracking system, companies can ensure that they have the right products in the right place at the right time, which helps to prevent stockouts and overstocking. This allows companies to focus on producing high-quality products while maintaining a stable and efficient supply chain. Effective inventory management can also lead to improved customer satisfaction, as companies are able to meet customer demands more efficiently. Additionally, a well-managed inventory can help companies to identify trends and patterns in demand, allowing them to make informed decisions about future product offerings and production levels. By adopting a robust inventory tracking system, companies can take advantage of data-driven decision-making and improve their bottom line. The course covers modules 435, Advanced into Quality Compliance and Data-Driven Analytics, forming the intelligence layer of SAP Digital Manufacturing. The module guides you through the process of implementing these critical components, providing hands-on experience and real-world examples to help you achieve success. The course offers flexible scheduling and customized curricula to fit your unique requirements. By the end of this module, you'll have a solid understanding of how to integrate these key components, enabling you to make informed decisions and drive business outcomes. Our training programs are designed to help you master the art of managing quality and compliance in your organization. With our hands-on approach, you'll learn how to handle non-conformances, automate workflows, and enforce certification checks. Our automated systems will guide you through every step of the process, eliminating manual errors and increasing efficiency. By the end of this module, you'll have a comprehensive understanding of how to implement quality and compliance processes that meet the highest standards. Our experienced trainers will provide you with the knowledge and tools needed to succeed in this critical area. We'll show you how to trigger inspection tasks, manage audits, and ensure operator qualification. You'll also learn how to use process automation to streamline your operations and reduce costs. Our goal is to empower you with the skills and confidence to drive quality and compliance excellence in your organization. Our certified SAP experts will guide you through advanced dashboards, machine learning, and predictive maintenance, ensuring you harness the full potential of SAP DM's analytics layer. We offer post-training mentorship, exam prep resources, and direct access to consultants to ensure your team's success beyond the classroom. The training programs offered by this organization are designed to meet the needs of various industries such as manufacturing, finance, and healthcare. The programs cover a wide range of topics including SAP, ERP, SAP CS4HANA, and other related technologies. The training is delivered through flexible learning paths that allow participants to choose their own pace and learning style. Participants can select from online, on-site, or blended delivery options that suit their schedules and preferences. The curriculum is tailored to the specific needs of each industry and technology stack. The training includes comprehensive support services such as post-training mentorship, exam preparation resources, and direct access to experienced consultants. This support enables learners to apply their knowledge and skills in real-world scenarios, ensuring long-term success. SAP DM is a comprehensive software solution for digital manufacturing. We takes P. It enables companies to design, build, and manage complex products using advanced technologies such as artificial intelligence, robotics, and the Internet of Things. The software provides a range of tools and features that support innovation, productivity, and efficiency. These include advanced analytics, simulation, and modeling, as well as collaboration and knowledge management. By leveraging these tools, companies can create customized solutions tailored to their specific needs and improve their overall performance. The company offers a range of training options for both individuals and organizations. These include individualized training sessions tailored to each person's needs, as well as comprehensive corporate training programs that cater to the specific requirements of different companies. The company also provides customized curricula designed specifically for each organization, allowing them to tailor their training to meet their unique needs. Furthermore, the company offers expert guidance and support throughout the entire learning process, ensuring that participants are able to master key skills such as SAP DM. The company's goal is to provide a secure and stable foundation for individuals and organizations looking to transition into Industry 4.0. This includes providing access to cutting-edge technologies and methodologies, as well as creating a supportive environment where learners can feel comfortable sharing their ideas. By offering these resources, the company aims to help its clients achieve their goals and succeed in the rapidly changing world of Industry 4.0. To get started on this journey, individuals and organizations can simply contact the company to schedule a personalized training consultation. This will allow them to discuss their specific needs and goals and receive expert advice on how to create a customized training plan that meets their unique requirements.